It's 2025, and you're still stuck, still scrolling, still making the same excuses. Listen up, because in these 90 seconds, I'm telling you the hard truths of 2025. If you don't change now, this year will pass you by just like the last one. Truth number one, nobody cares about your excuses. Feel tired, broke, unmotivated? The world doesn't care. Winners take action, losers complain. Which one are you? Truth number two, AI won't replace you, but someone using it will. 2025 is a battlefield. Those who learn, adapt, and execute will dominate. Are you leveling up or just watching others win? Truth number three, your time is running out. Every second you waste is a second you'll never get back. The best version of you? He's out there, waiting. But only if you put in the work. If you're done with excuses, comment, "I'm ready" below. But if you're not serious, just keep scrolling. Your choice.